Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So today's video is a meal plan and Tesco grocery haul. So I'll be sharing with you everything that I just had delivered in my Tesco grocery haul, and also 7 days worth of weekday meals, some snack ideas and also some lunch ideas in there too. I haven't filmed one of these videos in quite a while and I know you guys really enjoy them, so I thought it was about time that I done one. So what I've done is split my shopping in sections, so I've got all the ingredients for each meal together. Then I will talk you through the ingredients needed for each meal, and then lastly show you some miscellaneous options that I've picked up. Where I can, I will link the recipes in the description box down below, and every single week I do upload my weekly meal plans over on my Instagram stories. So if you want to follow me over there, and I have also got a highlight where I've saved all my previous week meal plans. And then I have recently set up a food page called Eat Well Not Less _UK, which is a bit of a food diary and will often share a lot of my meal ideas over there too, if you want the recipes to some of the meals that I'm sharing in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new and like this kind of thing, then I would love for you to consider subscribing. Monday evening we'll be having king prawn chow mein. You can obviously use whatever meat that you want, but I'm using the king prawns, one because they were on offer, and two, they just make a nice alternative to chicken. So I'll just serve these with some egg noodles, and then I've got a large pack of stir-fried vegetables. I just find it much easier buying this, especially when you get in from work, because all the chopping is done for you. And I think for this large bag it was only about £1 anyway. Then you'll just need a few store cupboard ingredients. So you'll need some garlic and some ginger. You'll need some Chinese 5-spice, some soy sauce, and then some oyster sauce. I didn't have any of that, so I bought some of that, a couple of tablespoons of that in there. And then I also add a couple of eggs as well. So I normally add about 3 beaten eggs. This probably takes like 10 minutes maximum to make, and it is a really nice, yummy, easy midweek meal. Tuesday evening we'll be having a twist on Hunter's chicken, but with a pasta bake style instead. So for this one you will need around 400 grams of chicken, so I'll just probably put a couple of chicken fillets in. Obviously need some pasta as well that I have in, so I normally put around 200 grams of pasta in. Then I'll need 1 red onion, a couple of peppers that I throw into, some chopped tomatoes, and then I also add in about 4 rashers of bacon medallions. Then seasoning wise you'll need to add in some balsamic vinegar, tomato puree, some barbecue seasoning. Again, I already have this, so we'll add that in. And then just some garlic and onion powder along with the chopped tomatoes. And then to top it all off, I will just add some lighter grated cheese on top. And this is honestly a really yummy pasta bake that the whole family will enjoy. Wednesday evening we'll be having a Moroccan style couscous dish with some salmon fillets. So this one, all you will need for this one is just a pack of spiced couscous. I really like these ones that are already done for you, because all you need to do is add some water and they are full of some lovely flavours in there. Then I've just got a couple of packs of salmon fillets. So what you'll do with these is just put some seasoning on them and then thread them on some skewers. Then you will need some mint. So I'll basically add some mint to some natural yoghurt which I have in the fridge. Some nice fresh vegetables here, so I've got some spring onions and some radishes, and also some cherry tomatoes. And then I will also need the red pepper that I've got over here, and then I'll just add some fresh parsley and some basil which I have in the window. And then I'll basically just serve it with a squeeze of fresh lemon over it, with the yoghurt, the couscous and the salmon skewers. And again, takes about 10 minutes to make and is delicious. Thursday evening we are having a family favourite, which is toad in the hole, but a little bit healthier. So instead of using normal sausages, which can be really high in calories and sins if you're following Slim and World, then I've got these Heck meat-free ones which are much lower in calories, and I do need to check the sin value on these, I'm not sure, so if anyone does know, if you could let me know in the comments. that would be great, and then other viewers can obviously see too. But yeah, hoping these will be quite nice. And then I'll just make that with some flour, a couple of eggs, and I'll just use skimmed milk so it's not too bad for me. And then I'll just serve that with some mashed potato. I've got some carrots in the fridge, and then also with some broccoli. Friday evening will almost be a bit of a fakeaway meal, and we are basically having chicken souvlaki, I'm not sure how you say it, basically some seasoned chicken in a kebab, so it's like a Greek style dish with some tzatziki served with it. Is absolutely delicious and feels really naughty but actually isn't. So to make the seasoning, I'll just use some herbs and spices that I have in the house. So it will just need 2 tablespoons of oregano, paprika, thyme, 1 teaspoon of cumin, garlic powder, salt, some black pepper, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper depending on how hot that you want it. Then obviously you'll need your chicken breast, some flatbread to serve it in, some Greek yogurt and cucumber to make the tzatziki, and then a juice of 1 lemon, and then you just basically again put them on some skewers, cook them, and then serve them with the tzatziki inside one of the flatbreads. And they're really delicious. Almost tastes like a naughty kebab, but is nowhere near as many calories. Saturday evening will be another veggie meal, but will be a pasta veggie meal. So we're having creamy garlic mushroom tagliatelle. So I've already got the tagliatelle in the cupboard. You can serve it with whatever pasta that you want. Then you'll need around 500 grams of mushrooms. I just like to use a mixture of whatever mushrooms that I have. Then you'll also need some 50% less fat soft cheese. So you'll need around 25 grams of this one, around 200 grams of yogurt. So I've got the yogurt from the previous meal, an onion and a garlic. And honestly, that is it. You just fry it all up and then stir in the soft cheese. Squeeze over a little bit of lemon juice. I'll also sometimes add some fresh chives as well, and there you have it, a really nice creamy pasta dish. And then Sunday I'll be making a curry, so I'm going to make a chicken tikka saag, which is basically a chicken curry with spinach in it. So I have some frozen spinach in the freezer, so I will just add that in. I find it really handy to keep frozen spinach in the freezer because it's ideal for adding into curries for a bit more nutrients. If you don't like spinach, you might not like this one, but I honestly think it's really delicious. You can't really taste the spinach that much with all of the flavourings from the curries. So for this one, you will need a packet of chicken breast. Spice wise, you will need 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander and garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric with about half a teaspoon of some chili powder depending on how hot you like it. You then need a couple of diced onions along with a couple of garlic cloves and some freshly grated ginger. Where I can, I always try and get the fresh ginger. Then you'll just want some chicken stock, so around 250 ml of chicken stock and a carton of passata, and then just serve this with some rice. And it's a really yummy, freshly made, healthy curry. So that's all of the meals, and then this is just the miscellaneous section, I suppose, other things like snacks and lunches. So in here, fruit wise, I've just got some Pink Lady apples, always buy them, they're my absolute favourite. Some bananas and some grapes. Did also order strawberries and blueberries, but they didn't have any in stock, so I'll have to go out and get them because I love having them in my cereal. We didn't actually need too much cereal because we bought quite a lot the other week when it was on offer. So we just got some honey Cheerios. Nick and Arabella love these. I got some of these hula hoop puffs for me. I really enjoy these, and I think they're only about 4 cents on Slimming World. Really low in calories, only 77 calories. And then just a few snack things that Arabella will have when she gets them from nursery. So just some chicken cocktail sausages and satay bites. We've got some wafer thin ham, some smoked salmon. I'll probably have a smoked salmon salad one day. Again, they didn't send any salad, so I need to go and get that. Peperamis are a great snack, and these chocolate fixes, I think I've showed these on my channel before. They are
an amazing snack. I absolutely love them. They feel like a real treat in the evening. They're only 95 calories a pot and 5 sins, and honestly, they just taste so indulgent. And then got a few toiletry bits, so toothpaste, Vanish, some night pants for Arabella, and just some cotton wool pads. And then moving over here, got some of these Saurine lunchbox treats. Nick likes them in his lunch. And then also got some other yogurt. So I really enjoy this Oncon 0% vanilla yogurt. I'll often have this with just some fruit, and it is honestly absolutely delicious. Really low in calorie and sins too. Some apple juice that Tamsin has, some crisps, and then some smoothies for Arabella. A loaf of bread. I'm not planning on eating any kind of bread or anything this week, so that will just be for Nick. And then just got some skimmed milk. And I have actually tried this week the Cravendale skimmed milk. I've been having a few, I suppose, kind of tummy problems lately and a lot of bloating. And a couple of people on my Instagram suggested trying one of the more filtered milks and seeing if that makes a difference. So yeah, I'm going to try this and see how I get on.
So that's everything that I wanted to share with you in today's meal plan and grocery haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more, and hopefully I will see you again next time. Well, thank you very much for watching. Bye!